pews. I'll see you soon. If you don't know, this is called Famous Simulator. Yeah, Famous Simulator. There's a new update. Yeah, there's a lot of new updates. New updates all around. Very sweet. I've been working to get to those days. Taking ages. I'm coming to my friends. We by we setting my cloud, etc. I'm coming. Where are you? Amelia? Oh, I see you! Yeah, I'm a pro. Hi, guys. We're going to our trading soon so we can... Yeah, sure. Do you want to take a picture with me? I'll take a screenshot with you. Oh, I did it. Look at this. It's beautiful. Anyway, we're going to do a couple of videos with Amelia on this. And we're going to try and advance her to a pro. Yeah, it may do a while. May do a lot. Because our favourite YouTuber character has it in there. It's funny! And Russo is on it as well. And Russo is here as well. Where's Russo? Here! Russo and Gigi and Sally Green Gamer. And over here is It's Funny. Over here is the people. Yeah. Oh, Dan TDM's also in it. Yeah, the one with the golden suit. The Demo Clown. Oh, Big Games, who built it. Pet Simulator. If you guys haven't heard any news, Pet Simulator 2 is going to come out. 2, yeah, because we're not going to carry on. Anyway, guys, it's only a short video, so...